Hi, welcome back. My name is Ajit and you are watching Vinsys ITIL videos. In this chapter we are going to understand that what is a benefit to an organization of following ITIL and what is a benefit to an individual to go for ITIL certification. Now, considering that you are working in an IT environment, these are the common terminologies which we end up using in our IT world. We do talk about incident, we do talk about problem, and we do talk about change. IPC is considered to be the three main pillars of managing the IT services, especially when we look at the BAU state, which is business as usual state. If you get these three processes fixed, incident, problem, and change, there's every possibility that your IT service will go in a steady mode, which will help you achieve that BAU state, business as usual state. Benefit to an organization is they can understand the best practice and probably incorporate those best practices which are documented as a part of ITIL, so that they can optimize the cost, they can optimize the every aspect of IT service delivery. In order to do it better, they can probably achieve customer satisfaction. It will help us optimize the cost. And it will also help us to gain some standards like ISO 20K, which is ISO 20000 or ISO 27K. When it comes to the standards will tell you, or rather ask you a question, have you done this? So that's, for example, ISO 20K might just auditor ask you a question, do you have incident management process? The answer may be yes or no. Even if the answer is yes, what is something which will be asked by the standard when it comes to WWH approach, which we follow in training, which is when, where and how. In order to understand that when, where and how to establish the incident management process, that is where you will have to go for ITIL. So at an organizational level, when organization decides to go for these standards like ISO 20K, 27K, it is inevitable for organization to go for these where processes will understand how to make these processes work or how to write these processes. Guidelines will be provided as a part of ITIL. That's an advantage for organization. The advantage for individuals. ITIL Foundation has always been the basic certification which is required in order to get into the IT industry now. You go to any part of IT, and I have seen that ITIL is something which is expected. ITIL Foundation certification is the bare minimum expectation. So yes, it will help you in your job. It will help you to put some weight on in your CV. Apart from that, it will also help you understand that why you are doing it. And the maturity, it's something which is directly associated with if you know why you're doing it, there is every possibility that you will do it better. What we'll understand in ITIL is how to manage our day-to-day operational activity, which will help us understand what are the best ways of doing things, and accordingly we can alter or modify or optimize our IT service management, provided if it is there in your scope. If you are at a level where you can make the process level changes, it will definitely help you to make those necessary changes. Or since you know why you are doing it, you will definitely deliver it better. ITIL is it's something which is not really restricted. I mean, from a scoping perspective, it is restricted to IT sub-functionality of a business. However, these are can be easily correlated to as a general management principles. So it might just change the thought process, the way you look at a particular challenge, the way you look at doing or executing your root cause analysis, or some similar activities which might just be a part and parcel of your life in IT. ITIL will definitely help you to understand it in a little better manner. That is the advantage every individual which will have in by enrolling for ITIL, and CV shows up very good results. That's it for now. Those were the advantages to the organization, and those were the advantages to an individual.